Here's how to disconnect the ground cable from the battery on your Porsche Cayenne. This is a 955, so mine is a 2004. I don't want to remove the entire battery, I'm just going to be working on the radio. So to do that, take the floor cover off the floor mat in front of the driver's seat, and then you can see towards the tunnel, we have this plastic piece. All you need to do is pull up on this plastic piece here. It'll just come out. Be very careful not to break the clips. And then you have a 13 millimeter bolt right here which holds the ground cable. Hopefully you can see that right there. That's the one you want to remove. So let me show you in real time just how easy this is. So I'm going to take the key and I'm going to put it in just so you can hear the beeping. I know it's a little annoying, but now I'm going to take my 13 mil and you can move the seat back to give you some more access, just to make things easier for you. We're just going to take this and we're going to loosen this guy. It's a 13 millimeter. There we go. Broke it. Broke the nut off rather. And now, once we take this, we just remove it. Okay, so we got our bolt, and then pull this up, and our ground will now be disconnected. There we go. Now you're good. So what I'm gonna do is just take a t-shirt, or I could even take a pack of gum, and just pop it right there. And now the battery is disconnected, and I can safely work on the car. It's that easy. Maybe don't use a pack of gum, but there you go.